In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a trunk support on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located inside of the trunk. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to pick up on the tabs on either side of this support. Remove the strut off of both of the hitches. Install the strut onto both points. Push until they lock on. Give them a pull. Make sure they are locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.